Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And this prompt for today is magazine. So I have got, they came from an old magazine, but they're also magazine covers. So I thought I really covered that prompt. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, we are getting that wintry mix, but thankfully it's not as bad. I mean, it's white out there, but it's raining, but it didn't get quite as cold, so maybe it won't be so bad. Tomorrow may be a different story because everything is raining now and it's freezing, but it's like a slushy mess out there. But so far so good with electricity and such. All right, I've got this piece of, it's not really lace, it's like a nylon, but it's very pretty. So I'm gonna put this down as my base. Probably should have used Fabri-Tac. And now my glue wants to stop up here. I'm hoping this will work. If not, I'll get out the Fabri-Tac. All right. Hope everything's going good in your world. Be sure and check out Meg's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. I have come across some wonderful creators, and I have been following them. So that'll dry clear. And I've already inked, so you won't have to watch me do that. So let's see how we want to lay this out. I'm kind of thinking this at the bottom. And we have got her and her and Rita Hayworth. I know her. Thinking maybe I don't know, I don't want to cover up too much of the red. Probably should have brought it over a little bit more. Let's see if it's maybe too late. There we go. Maybe I could do the handle with care. Maybe it wouldn't take up so much room. And now I can add these. And we've got Paris. I think that's it. Oh, got this little piece. I like that. It's simple, but nice. So let me get this down. Push that over a little bit. It's like I lay it out, but I never can get it back to the position that I had it. I want it right side up. I love, this is like a magazine from the 80s, but it was talking about all the years of Life magazine. So I love old magazines. Especially ones that have even older magazine things in it. And now, I'm going to add a little bit of bling. All right. And I need my gold. Oh, I need to stamp my date. I think I'll put that right here. And now add in my gold splatters. Oops. And this one will be a very simple one. All right. Get this glued down a little bit better. Right here. Well, I like how this turned out. It was simple, easy, no fuss, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Y'all, appreciate y'all so much. I care about you. I love you. And be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.